I go up the top here
Hmm.
and I go into traffic and conversion, right? Very, very popular. These few here, these three, four, very, very powerful within your seller community. So if I go traffic and conversion here, we can see stuff around, your page views compared to sessions. We can see browser versus mobile sessions, traffic and conversion by product, right? What we want to see. We can get in there and see stuff around graphs and stuff like that. And remember, I've got a comparison date here as well as the page I'm looking at. So if I went back up to the top, like we did in that last page, and I changed the date range, this would also change as well.
Hmm.
As we go down, we can look at parent versus child as well.
Hmm.
And then we can add a few more other things in there if you want to. You can take things away to make it more simple for things you aren't interested in, right? Or if you want to have all of it, you can play around and make it a little bit your own.